Yellow Waterfall is located in the Yellow village of Bangli district in Bali. It is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Bali. To get to the waterfall, you have to walk through around 300 stairs, including 80 iron stairs that have been provided. You still have to walk down about 250 meters to get there. There is a small temple next to the waterfall that you may present chana. Your eyes could be relaxed by the gorgeous natural view of the waterfall. And then, you can take some epic photographs with the waterfall as the background. You can also sit near the pond and even swim there. There is some tourists come to the waterfall, and there is also a guide who help you to reach the waterfall safely. So, invite your friends to come to the waterfall and enjoy the epic view of waterfall. Share this video to your friends to let them know the beauty of Kuning Waterfall.